Hi, good morning. I'm at CERN right now, and today we are waiting for some interesting collisions. Under my feet, about 50 meters underground, the Large Hadron Collider accelerates and smashes particles at the highest energy ever reached. The LHC usually collides protons, so single particles or bunches of single particles. But once in a year, for a few weeks, atoms from heavy chemical elements are injected into the machine. Why? This is done to create high energetic collisions to study the properties and the behavior of particles in very peculiar and interesting conditions. One example is the quark-gluon plasma, which is the very hot primordial soup that filled our universe a few microseconds after the Big Bang. Behind my shoulders, there is the building hosting the control room of the ATLAS experiment, the experiment where I work. And today I'm working here in the control room, waiting for these new collisions. The detector of the experiment is below the building, about 100 meters underground, sitting in its experimental cavern and waiting to catch all these heavy ions collisions. Yes, we call them heavy ions collisions because actually the LHC doesn't accelerate lead atoms. In fact, we don't inject lead atoms into the LHC machine. Instead, we inject lead ions. That means atoms whose electrons have been stripped off to let the atoms have an electric charge. Without that, the LHC could not accelerate them. I will tell you more about that in another video. So, okay, now I go back to the experiment's control room, but as soon as we will have some nice images from the new heavy ions collisions, I will post them. So, stay tuned. Bye bye, have a nice day.